In this video, we're taking you inside our stay at the Loutsiana Hotel and Apartments, a place that truly felt like a home away from home. Welcome to our channel and stay with us in this video as we take you on a journey with our honest review and helpful tips. If you're planning a trip to Ayia Napa and you want comfort, value and a truly relaxing atmosphere, this one's for you. Our first impressions and check-in couldn't be better. From the moment we arrived, everything just felt right. The hotel has recently undergone major renovations, and you can tell the facilities and rooms are now to a really high standard. Check-in was smooth and easy. The 24-hour reception team were friendly, helpful, and made us feel welcome straight away. As soon as we opened the door to our room, we knew we'd chosen the right place. Our room was beautiful, cute, spotlessly clean. It was located on a quiet side road, just behind the swimming pool area. No noise at all, very peaceful and safe. Loutsiana is a family-run complex on the outskirts of Ayia Napa, in a quiet location that gives you a friendly, relaxed vibe. And one of the best things, you can pick a room that best suits your taste and budget. Some rooms come with a fully equipped kitchenette, kettle, fridge, toaster, and coffee maker. Ours was one of the newly constructed luxury apartments, and we absolutely loved it. And before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, please help support the channel by subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a comment below. Everything was spotless and cleaned daily. All rooms are fully air conditioned and come with a large balcony or terrace, free Wi-Fi and an LED TV, all included with no extra cost, which isn't always the case in other hotels we've stayed at in Cyprus. There's also the option to add a safe for a small fee. We didn't use it because the hotel felt very safe and had a great atmosphere. All flats have small balconies where you can sit and relax. If you want a pool view, just check the room description on the website before booking. The swimming pools and evening atmosphere. The pool area is one of the highlights. There are two swimming pools, one for adults and a smaller one for kids, surrounded by gardens and a playground. The main pool is right next to the bar and restaurant in the centre of the complex. And before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, please help support the channel by subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a comment below. It really helps the channel grow, reach more people, and continue bringing you amazing travel content from around the world. Also, here is a travel tip that we personally use on every trip. We always use a Wise card when travelling, and honestly, it has become one of our favourite ways to pay in shops, restaurants, hotels, and many other places around the world. Why do we use it? Because the exchange rates are usually among the best available, it works with many currencies worldwide, it is safe and secure, and you can always clearly see what you are spending directly from the app. It makes travelling much easier and helps avoid unnecessary exchange fees. And if you would like to get your own Wise card, you can easily do it through the link in the description below. By using our link, you also help support this channel so we can continue bringing you more travel tips, guides, and incredible new destinations. The pool area is one of the highlights. It's beautiful and very relaxing, especially at night when the pool lights come on. It's a lovely spot to enjoy an evening drink while you unwind. On some nights, the hotel organises live entertainment, singers, shows, and other attractions. During our stay, they had a barbecue buffet on Saturday evenings at a very reasonable price. For guests on certain board types, I think it's included in dinner, but it's worth checking at reception. Breakfast and dining. We stayed on a breakfast basis and really enjoyed it. The variety was good: English breakfast, continental options, cereals and more, all well kept and tasty. Nothing to complain about at all. The staff were kind and helpful, and the dining area was always clean. In the mornings, you're surrounded by the sound of birds singing, those beautiful Cypriot mornings that make you want to slow down and enjoy the moment. And before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, please help support the channel by subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a comment below. The main restaurant on the ground floor has an ideal view of the pool and offers outdoor dining. It serves local and international dishes throughout the day, and in the evening you can enjoy exotic cocktails and refreshing drinks. Some nights feature live music, fire shows, and even a parrot show, a fun way to experience a bit of Cypriot culture under the stars. There's also a pool bar, open from early morning until midnight, serving snacks, ice cream, coffee, and local specialties. Location and surroundings. Location-wise, Loutsiana is in a great spot if you want a relaxed base close to the action. It's situated on the outskirts of Ayia Napa, in a quiet area, but still very convenient. There are grocery supermarkets near the hotel, and a bus stop right outside, making it easy to get around. You can walk to some of the most famous beaches in the area. Nissi Beach, Landa Beach and Nissi Beach are all within walking distance. The newly built Ayia Napa Marina is just about 2 minutes drive away. From there you can visit Ayia Tekla Beach, which we loved especially the beautiful white and blue Greek-style church by the sea. And if you're travelling with family or friends, Waterworld, the award-winning Greek-themed water park, is only about a 5-minute walk from the hotel. It's Ayia Napa's #1 attraction and a great day out. We absolutely loved our stay at Loutsiana Hotel and Apartments, and we definitely expect to return. If you're looking for a comfortable, budget-friendly hotel with great service, a relaxing atmosphere, and a good location, Loutsiana should definitely be on your list for your next adventure in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. Pick a room that suits your style and budget, enjoy the pools, the food, and those peaceful Cypriot evenings, and let the team take care of the rest. Thank you very much for watching. We truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventures and travel tips. And make sure to check out our other videos for more amazing destinations, hotel recommendations, travel hacks, local food experiences, and much more. See you in the next journey.